ranking things microwaved for science.
Dude, it smells like burnt iPhone right now. Oh, Jesus. Oh, can you see the smoke coming out of it? Oh, it smells horrible. Oh. I'm hitting the power button. Hear it? The iPhone does not seem to be working. Okay, I don't know what I was doing. We're gonna be microwaving a microwave. Put it. As you can see, it smells horrible. Alright, so it's been microwaving like 25 minutes. I'm not thinking anything's gonna happen. So we'll just whoa. Whew. Whew. Yeah, that's so let's close microwave number 1. Now microwave number 2. Did I just Now microwave number 2 is going. Alright boys, so now we have a microwave. Whoa. Yeah, it's going off. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but like tons of smoke is coming out of this thing. It's like... So we're going to be grilling an oven, baking a microwave, microwaving a microwave, microwaving a toaster, toasting an iPhone, watching microwaving a microwave, microwaving a toast. So now we got a microwave, microwaving a microwave, microwaving a toaster, toasting an iPhone, watching microwaving a microwave, microwaving a toaster.